Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Doogee S86 Pro. Firstly, just go into Play Store on both of them and install completely free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Following that, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then you can finally select receive on Doogee and send on an Android. After that, just click on all of those dots and just send. This way you can choose all of your data and transfer it later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Maybe that one. Choose send and click on got it. Over here on Doogee, choose no thanks and close this window. Now we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code over here by selecting the scanning icon on Doogee, tapping on allow and simply pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and choose receive. Then after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!